Why do asteroids hit Earth? Past impacts and future threats. Did you know that an asteroid impact wiped out the dinosaurs? Could it happen again? Scientists say it's not a matter of if, but when. But why do asteroids hit Earth? And how can we stop them? Let's find out. What are asteroids? Asteroids are rocky remnants left over from the formation of the solar system. Most of them orbit the Sun in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. But sometimes, their orbits change, sending them toward Earth. Asteroids can be as small as a grain of sand or as massive as a city. And when they collide with Earth, well, history has shown us what happens next. Major asteroid impacts in Earth's history. 66 million years ago, a 10-kilometer-wide asteroid struck what is now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. The impact released energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs, triggering wildfires, tsunamis, and a global winter. This event wiped out 75% of all life on Earth, including the dinosaurs. In 1908, a small asteroid or comet exploded over Siberia with the force of 1,000 Hiroshima bombs. Fortunately, it hit an uninhabited area, but it flattened over 2,000 square kilometers of forest. More recently, in 2013, a 20-meter-wide meteor exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia. The shockwave shattered windows and injured over 1,500 people. This was a wake-up call. Even small asteroids can cause major damage. Why do asteroids hit Earth? So why do asteroids sometimes change course and head toward Earth? There are a few reasons. First, gravitational influence planets like Jupiter can alter an asteroid's path. Second, the Yarkovsky effect sunlight heats an asteroid unevenly, changing its trajectory. And third, space collisions. When asteroids crash into each other, some fragments get sent toward Earth. Could an asteroid hit Earth in the future? NASA and other space agencies constantly monitor thousands of asteroids. Some of them, called potentially hazardous asteroids, have orbits that bring them dangerously close to Earth. For example, asteroid Apophis is expected to pass close to Earth in 2029, and asteroid Bennu has a small chance of hitting Earth in the late 2100s. The good news? Scientists are working hard to predict and prevent impacts before they happen. Can we stop an asteroid impact? In 2022, NASA successfully tested a planetary defense system called DART, the Double Asteroid Redirection Test. This spacecraft deliberately crashed into an asteroid to change its orbit, proving that we can deflect asteroids. Other proposed methods include nuclear explosions, using spacecraft to nudge asteroids, or even painting them to alter their solar heating. While asteroid impacts are rare, they do happen. That's why space agencies worldwide are working hard to track and prevent future threats. And who knows? One day, we might need to stop an asteroid to save humanity. What do you think is the best way to stop an asteroid? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video interesting, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing science content. See you in the next video.